Well, I took a couple videos of the snowstorm, but I took them in slow motion. So, somebody behind me here. Go around and get some shots of the blizzard of 2011. Let's see, which way should I go? Alright. Pretty snowy out there. This is on Leaf Street. That's Wickfield over there. It's pretty warm out. I got my window open. It's supposed to get bitterly cold though tonight. Like down below zero in winds. So let's see. More folks out there doing snow. Milwaukee Public Schools headquarters. I think we got about 2 feet of snow. And the roads are plowed already pretty good. This guy doesn't know how to drive in the snow. Of course, I drive too fast, probably. Well, let's go down Holly Road and see what's going on down there. Sun is warm. February sunshine until spring's coming. George! I used to work with George at Grenadiers. He owns the Wonder Bar. He looks a little hungover. Holly Road. Let's see what's going on down here. My windows off. Oh, pretty cool. Inside need to be redone. The Menominee Valley. The Holly Road Bridge, really nice bridge. They needed it really bad. I think he's in these corners here. I don't know, it's a winter wonderland, I guess. La 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 la. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. What else can I show you here? I'll take some of the area by my house. Splice them together. I'm all done, and these peeps are just getting out here. I guess I'm gonna have to work today. Filippo's is open, so I'll be working tonight. I'm driving too fast for conditions. La 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 la. Okay, 68th Street. I'll go back to the laundromat and put my clothes in the dryer. And then take another little video. Rose's Flower Shop. Ballestier's Pizza, man, they got the greatest pizza in that place up there. Okay, that's it for this one. I'll take another one after a little bit, in a little while, in a little while. Okay, video number 2. Across the street from where I live at Shirley's house. But, oh my goodness gracious. It's time to move to Orlando. Trusty little Nissan. I love that little truck. It's been a great vehicle for me. So I've been out doing, it didn't take me that long. I was out here for, I think, 3 hours. La 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 la. I got another snowboard back there buried. Needs a couple things. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Oh, I should put some salt out. That sun is really nothing to smell. Some nice 4-foot drift back there. So I did all this for the neighbors, help everybody. I did the little park too, the little triangle. I did this here. Winter Wonderland. And I did this to help the city. The same dude does this all the time, and he's not here. I imagine he's just a little busy, though. Sedums are all buried somewhere. La la la, la 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 la. That one too. All the way up here. Ooh, it is getting a little cold. I got just a sweatshirt on. Yeah, looks nice. The view's pretty. Well, let's go say hello to Shirley and get paid. La la la, not gonna get laid. She's 90. Just paid. La la la. La la la. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi there.
Hi.
How are you?
Are you still working?
No, I'm driving around.
I thought so.
Yeah.
I didn't know where you went. I fell asleep in my chair and
Oh goodness.
got up at about 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
But I'm not
Holy.
dressed. I'm ready to go, but I just don't know where I am.
Oh, we got about 2 feet of snow.
I know.
It's
and
pretty.
It woke me up. I had to clean off my porch.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't even step out. It was so much snow up on my porch. You did so much cleaning. But
Well, I'll tell you, I'm glad
my house, huh?
I'm glad I bought that big machine. That really came in handy.